With Receivables in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009, you can simplify and streamline credit and collection activities. You can tightly manage your customer accounts with credit limits and review dates, and define collections criteria and payment terms on a customer-by-customer basis. Arnie, the Accounts Receivable Administrator, has received a payment from a customer and now wants to apply the payment to open sales invoices in the system. In this case, Arnie specifies the amount, but he can also leave the amount field blank. The balance available amount information is updated to reflect the application of the payment. At a glance, Arnie can see details of the transaction. When he's finished, he can see what amount has been applied in the Amount to Apply field. He can also check that it matches the applied amount. Arnie also checks that all the ledger entries are complete. He opens the customer card and from there can drill into related information on the ledger entries. By default, the payment is being handled by using the manual method. But Arnie can also choose to set up the program to use the Apply to Oldest method, in which case Microsoft Dynamics NAV applies payments to open entries with the oldest dates first. The Receivables feature in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009 enables you to manage your sales and accounts receivable through individual accounts for each customer. The Cash Receipt Journal feature is fully integrated with the General Ledger, which means that when you post a transaction, the program automatically posts all necessary transactions to the sales account, the receivables account, and possible discount and VAT accounts. The application of cash receipts is flexible, allowing you to apply a single cash receipt to several outstanding invoices and sales credit memos. You can apply the payment when posting the cash receipt or after you've posted the cash receipt, and you can apply partial payments. Arnie has received a payment which he will post first and then apply to posted customer ledger entries. The first thing he does is post the payment. Next, he applies that payment to a specific customer invoice, but before doing so, reviews the details of the ledger entries related to the payment. Arnie applies the payment to 2 invoices. He can see whether the application balances at the bottom of the Apply Customer Entries window. In the Post-Application window, Arnie can change the posting date and the document number for any entries related to the application of the payment. The posted entries will then appear as if the application occurred in the past, although they were posted later. The application of cash receipts in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009 is flexible, allowing you to apply when posting the cash receipt or after you have posted the cash receipt. The post-application functionality allows you to post applications in a later period in case the period in which the entries were posted is no longer open for entry. Arnie wants to create a cash sale for Carl Anthony without having to post and apply both an invoice and a payment. The cash sale is for a bicycle. Next, Arnie specifies the invoice as a cash sale by selecting the cash payment method for the invoice. An invoice entry and payment entry is automatically created and applied when doing a cash sale. In the Customer Ledger Entries window, Arnie can see that the program has automatically created an invoice and a payment when posting the cash sale. The Payment Method feature in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009 allows you to set up company-specific methods for handling a cash sale. Cash sales can be set up as the default, using a specific customer card, or by selecting a cash sale payment method on a transaction-by-transaction basis. All relevant ledger entries are then automatically created and applied when posting a cash sale.